All right, it's a beautiful day, traders. Welcome back. Sun is shining. I'm about to go to the park and get a workout in here shortly. Birds are chirping, and I'm out here enjoying this beautiful afternoon in what we call life. If you haven't, take a second, take a minute, take a deep. Be thankful, be grateful. So, off the morning rip, we dropped down about 50 points, a little more. Test level we were at previous session, Asia, London, where we found a base in this range, and then we just take off. And I had a buy at the New York Open. Once we started to break down and break down strong, I was trying to get it right here at this level. I never got filled. Flow got filled somewhere in here. And in hindsight, looking back, I should have entered right here. Once we got above the previous highs, I should have rode to 30,120, which was a key level from Matt. Shout out to Matt. We're in his, or sorry, not we. I'm in his boot camp trading with Matt on YouTube. We reject. So there's your entry, first entry. If you miss it, you miss it. I was looking for the short, and this is where I get into, following these professionals, but still having your own inner voice, and it's got nothing to do with any kind of ego or the market or this, that, the third. There's times that I get so mixed up between following him because he doesn't want to short this, and while I agree, I'm looking long overall because of this move and sentiment. And until we rejected this box essentially and then break down, he's, he was more so kind of bearish now. So I didn't take the short. And, we're setting up is a beautiful short entry, clean. I would have taken it to about this key level right here on the fib, maybe even right here, the Asia high. Would have been a nice 70, 80 point move. And again, I wasn't trying to fight the trend, so I'm like, John, don't fight the trend. The 1 minute, we're just fighting teal. And again, key level, this fib 61 retracement. We kind of based this level, and I took 2 shots going long, trying to play off the teal on the 1 minute, just to kind of try to target this level here. I was really going for the New York high, thinking maybe we would retest and then break down. We didn't, so, I lost maybe 25, 30 points on this trade here, 2 contracts long, and I moved the stop back up. I was really going to have it down here. Once we broke up and broke out, because again, I'm thinking, all right, teal, we're going to break out like we've done here and here somewhat. We're going to get that push. We don't get that push. So my stop was down here. I brought the stop up, get stopped out. Tried it again, didn't like the tape. I took maybe 2 to 3 points to the plus side. And then I was looking to go long in this range, but I'm like, all right, let it play out back to red. And I should have gotten in right here and taken this ride up. I took 2 actual contracts right here. Let me go back to the 5 minute, right? So I took 2 right here, okay? We took 2 off right here, right at the previous kind of candle close. I was going for this key level here, but I'm like, in the words of Flow Zone, don't be a blank for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. And it was only 10 more points at 2 cons, another $30, $40. I wanted to get a win under my belt after a red week last week. And then again here, I tried to go for it. I had a buy at this key level here of 29,942. I didn't get filled, and again, I'm looking for that push to the previous high. We didn't get that, so I'm looking for a push here, from here to here or to here. Okay, same thing here and here. We don't get that. And Flow Zone was talking about this key level, this box. If we get above it, base and hold, he would look long. If we don't break down, so now honestly would be a good time to go short. But I'm probably done for the day. I'm gonna go to the gym here. I do have Green Day slightly positive, so I took about 25 points on this here, and it comes with, again, I'm trying to catch these longer moves, and at times I'm missing these 20, 30 point moves that I'm good at just seeing, really taking and playing off the system. So it's a balance, between following them and playing my system, because he doesn't have the same indicators, the same setup. I'm gonna add in book map here shortly, and the whole entire order flow. But again, should have taken this. Was in my head with him, wanting to wait till at least here or retest and break. He's more of a momentum trader. I have to take levels, but our system's saying short, and I didn't take that. So move one, beautiful move here. You missed that. Move two, short, and then these are just kind of get in, get out. Take 20. I think it was like 23, 25 points. I took maybe 3, 4 points here. Didn't like the tape. We push up a little bit. Breakdown, base. We're right back where I got in. We could go either way here because, we're essentially creating lower highs, lower lows. And we rejected this box. So I would assume we go down this way. But I am green on the day, albeit slightly. After a red week all last week and red every day. We're going to take our slight micro green day, boost the confidence, and I'll be back tonight for the Asia session. It's been a lot more cleaner with our indicators, and I've been paper trading that the last 2 weeks and cleaning up. So we'll get on Asia tonight. I do have one funded account that can play on that session, so we'll do that. So slight green day, just kind of battling, between playing my system and following some of these guys and trying to trade the right way. And in doing that, you can get a little lost, between systems, etc. But we'll find our path. Honestly, I just got to use him as a guide and just stick to my system and then use that as a guide. And even here, he was saying not to go long, but again, I missed this. I am thinking we are probably going to break down because on the 5, we are purple. But on that 1, I was looking for these little pops that, we got here. I was looking for these pops. These are what, 30,000? So these are 40, 50 point pops, essentially what I got here, a little bit more. So that's what I was looking for, and we're battling green and red this entire way. We didn't get it, so you just chalk it up to the system. We're green. We'll stay green for the day. Come back tonight for Asia. I'm thinking we're gonna break down the rest of the day, at least for most of the afternoon here. So appreciate you guys tuning in. If you found any value, please like and subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow. Stay up, stay blessed, stay positive. Make it happen.